29th of October. Autumn Birds. The wild duck startles like a sudden thought, and heron slow, as if it might be caught. The flopping crows on weary wings go by, and gray-beard jackdaws noising as they fly. The crowds of starnels whiz and hurry by, and darken like a cloud the evening sky. The larks like thunder rise and suthy round, then drop and nestle in the stubble ground. The wild swan hurries, high and noises loud, with white neck peering to the evening cloud. The weary rooks to distant woods are gone, with length of tail the magpie winnows on to neighboring tree, and leaves the distant crow, while small birds nestle in the edge below. John Clare, 1793 through 1864.